This video walks you through exactly how to set up the Android earthquake alert. Let's get started. Go to settings, scroll down. Here you will find safety and emergency. Tap to safety and emergency option and you will find here earthquake alert. Tap to earthquake alert. The earthquake alert is disabled right now. Just tap to enable it and then go to settings. In connections, turn on Wi-Fi and then go to mobile networks. Enable both options, data roaming and your SIM number. Then back and go to data usage. And here you will find mobile data. It's turned off. If you want to use mobile data for earthquake alert, you need to enable it. That's it. This is the easiest way to turn on or enable earthquake alert on Android phone.